Hey guys, welcome back to the Snapbrain Chronicles. Today we have another tool video for you. But before we start, as always, if you find these videos helpful or informative, could you please give me a like and consider subscribing to this channel? That would really be great. Okay, today we have a socket set. It's a metric socket set. It's a Pittsburgh half-inch drive 13-piece deep impact socket set. It's a deep wall design, black phosphate finish to prevent corrosion, chrome vanadium construction, and it's 6-point. Okay, we have a 10mm, 13mm, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 24, 27, 30, and 32. And the item number on this is 6956, and this usually sells for $24.99. But me being a cheapskate, I always go to the clearance aisle, and I got this for $19.98 because it's open box. It's open box because it's missing one. I think it's the 22mm is missing, which is okay because I don't think I need 22mm that bad. And the important question is, where is it made? Okay, right here it says made in China, not Taiwan, China. Okay, these have gotten good reviews on the Harbor Freight website. They have maybe over 2,000 reviews on this, and it gets 4.8 stars out of 5. So seems like a decent set of deep wall impacts. Okay, to open this up, they have these screws here, here, here. I took these off, these 4. These are the screws if you're interested. And I unscrew these in the middle so I can open this up. Okay, and this kind of like, I guess, opens up like that. Yeah, that's pretty fancy, huh? And then they come out. And here's the packaging. It has like these protrusions here that go into the holes on the side and holds them in so they won't be falling all over the place, and then they screw it in, I guess, to keep it secure. Alright, so here's the set. When I was checking out the sets, I was looking inside, and there seems just some minor complaints. I see like this, there were bits of metal, like when they, I don't know, I was kind of looking on videos on how they make sockets, and it looks like they broach them somehow. I was looking, they were showing like how they make snap-on sockets, and I couldn't see because it was so fast how they were like doing these. It looked like there was a machine punching. I didn't see any drilling or anything, but it looked like a machine was punching the holes. And I don't know how it would do that, because it was solid metal and there'd have to be some sort of broaching going on to be able to get those to get all that metal out of there. But anyhow, I was looking at some of them, and I found in one of them like these pieces of like leftover, like really thin little metal leftover pieces, like still sticking to the insides. Not sure what that's about. And here, I don't know if you can make that out, but you see the hole at the bottom is not all the way centered. Let's see if you can see a little bit. It's hard to focus because it's in there. You see how the hole is not well centered down there? Even though the corners of the socket seem like they're well centered. And the female half inch looks well centered, but the hole that goes through is like kind of offset to the side. I don't know. And oh, here's another one. Here's the 10 millimeter. Let's see, I can show this. Okay. I don't know if the camera, I think, yeah, there you go. There's like a step here. Like I could feel like I don't know if you can see it. You can see it there. There's like a little step. Maybe they didn't do a good job when they reamed this out. So I don't know if that's gonna affect the performance of the socket. Not sure. Here's the rear of the socket. Looks okay. This hole, the hole in the middle there. Looks a little off sides too. But I thought that was interesting, that little step there. I don't know if that's like a quality control issue or what. But I'm gonna test this out to see if it not now, but later on when I get a chance. I want to see if this if it fits well on a 10 millimeter bolt. If it doesn't, I guess, I don't know, maybe I can live with that. Okay, and yeah, they all seem to be offset, the holes. See this one, that one seems to be out of line. This one seems to be centered okay. And these are 3 inches. 3 inches long. I think they're all 3 inches long. And this one's a little bit more. Maybe like almost 3 1/8 or something like that. See what this one is. This one's almost exactly 3 inches. So yeah, I just wanted to show you these. I got these recently. Haven't used them yet. I guess somebody brought them back because they probably brought back a 22 millimeter that had broken or something, and they took one out of the pack, and then they had an extra set minus the 22 millimeter, so they sold it as a open box. And I don't know, I'll see how they are. Like I said, they have good reviews. they seem like decent quality. Oh, and they're all engraved with big letters, big numbers for the millimeter size. And the engraving looks pretty good. It's pretty deep. Here's the 32 millimeter. You can see the letters there, not too bad. Well, that's about it. That's all I got for this set. Okay guys, until next time.